This is an A1 beginner level mixed grammar quiz. Please feel free to leave a comment after the quiz.
Choose the correct quantifier.
I haven't got any money.
Choose the correct quantifier or article.
That is an ugly jacket.
Choose the correct adverb or adjective.
Sarah is a careful driver.
Choose the correct preposition.
Put the pillows on the bed.
Choose the correct auxiliary verb.
There isn't a lot of time.
Choose the correct frequency adverb.
How often do you study?
Choose the correct word combination.
She reads a book every day.
Choose the correct present continuous form.
They aren't living in Canada.
Choose the correct pronouns.
My cat is older than yours.
Choose the correct plural forms.
Two babies, two children.
What were your mistakes? Share a comment. Let's work it out together.